Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the attic path. Clear insulation from the top plates and install baffles so airflow won't be blocked. Once done, measure the ridge run and mark a continuous center line for the vent. Next, remove ridge shingles only where the vent will sit and cut the vent slot with a circular saw, typically about 1/2 to 2/3 inch each side for a 1:1 1/3 inch total slot. Make sure you wear fall protection and eye protection. Now position the ridge vent piece by piece along the cut slot and fasten it with recommended screws or nails, overlapping sections if the vent is modular. Once the vent is seated, apply synthetic underlayment and cut shingle tabs to sit tightly under the vent flange so water sheds properly. At the same time, make sure your soffit intake area equals or exceeds ridge exhaust area. Without balanced intake, the system won't draw air. Always seal edges and check for snug, even alignment from end to end. To finish, inspect the roofline and attic airflow. Use a smoke pen or infrared camera and run the fan to confirm steady exhaust along the ridge. If you find weak flow, locate blocked baffles or insufficient soffit intake and add vents until intake greater or equal exhaust net-free area. If you spot leaks where the vent meets shingles, remove nearby fasteners, reseat the flashing, and apply a suitable roofing sealant. Then retest airflow. That single continuous
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.